Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel, How Logical. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to log into your Luton Council Tax account. For this guys, what you need to do is open up any web browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome and bring up the search bar and type in Luton Council Tax login and hit the search. Make sure it takes you to the official link m.luton.gov.uk. Just click on that link. Now you will be redirected to the official website of Luton. Now scroll down a bit. Over here you can see the council tax. Just click on manage your council tax. Now again scroll down a bit. Over here you can see the login or register button. Just click on login or register button to login. Now again you will be redirected to the new interface, which is the sign in page of Luton. Guys, simply you just need to enter your username over here. Similarly, enter your password over here. In case if you forgot your password, just click on forgot password to recover your password. And once you click on sign in button, you will be easily access your account. In case if you don't have any account of Luton, just click on register to create a new account. This much for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below for more content like this. And remember to turn on the notifications so you never miss the upload. See you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.